Good morning, students. I hope you are fine and taking good care of yourselves and staying at home. Let's watch a video and learn how to stay healthy.
Hi, I'm Baby Shark Brooklyn. Subscribe, hit the bell, and like. Baby Shark Brooklyn. Wash your hands, do-do-do-do-do. Wash your hands, do-do-do-do-do. Wash your hands, do-do-do-do-do. Wash your hands. Grab some soap, do-do-do-do-do. Grab some soap, do-do-do-do-do. Grab some soap, do-do-do-do-do. Grab some soap. Rub your hands, do-do-do-do-do. Rub your hands, do-do-do-do-do. Rub your hands, do-do-do-do-do. Rub your hands. Rinse your hands, do-do-do-do-do. Rinse your hands, do-do-do-do-do. Rinse your hands, do-do-do-do-do. Rinse your hands. Dry your hands, do-do-do-do-do. Dry your hands, do-do-do-do-do. Dry your hands, do-do-do-do-do. Dry your hands. What else can we do? Cover your sneeze, do-do-do-do-do. Cover your sneeze, do-do-do-do-do. Cover your sneeze, do-do-do-do-do. Cover your sneeze. Cough into your elbow, do-do-do-do-do. Cough into your elbow, do-do-do-do-do. Cough into your elbow, do-do-do-do-do. Cough into your elbow. Safe at last, do-do-do-do-do. Safe at last, do-do-do-do-do. Safe at last, do-do-do-do-do. Safe at last. Phew! Let's stay healthy, do-do-do-do-do. Let's stay healthy, do-do-do-do-do. Let's stay healthy, do-do-do-do-do. Let's stay healthy. Oh yeah!
Okay, so let's start our today's session for lesson 15.1, and we are going to discuss two-dimensional shapes, and we have to cover page number 859 to 862 today, and your homework is assigned on Pearson Online, so just log into your Pearson account to do your homework. Before starting the new lesson, let's watch a video and review what did you learn about shapes in grade 1.
Shapes are everywhere. Triangles and circles, rectangles and squares. Shapes are everywhere. Triangles and circles, rectangles and squares.
A circle is round like the moon in the sky, or a wheel, or a clock, or the iris of your eye. A circle is forever, no beginning and no end. Can you spot the circle? Spot the circle now, my friend. Circle. Where's the circle? Good job.
Shapes are everywhere. Triangles and circles, rectangles and squares. Shapes are everywhere. Triangles and circles, rectangles and squares.
A square is a shape with four straight sides. Every side the same, and every angle right, like a box or a table or the seat of a chair. But where is it hiding? Tell me, can you spot the square? Square! Where's the square? Great! This is a triangle here for you to see. Can you count the sides up? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Like a wedge or the face of an ancient pyramid. A triangle is in there. Tell me, can you find it, kids? Triangle. Where's the triangle? Good one.
Shapes are everywhere. Triangles and circles, rectangles and squares. Shapes are everywhere.
like a woodblock or a door. Every side a straight line, count them, there are four. A picture frame, computer screen, a book, to name a few. A rectangle is in there playing hide and seek with you. Rectangle! Where's the rectangle? Right!
Shapes, shapes, shapes are everywhere. Triangles and circles, rectangles and squares. Shapes, shapes, shapes are everywhere. Triangles and circles, rectangles and squares.
I hope you enjoyed the song and you have revised about the shapes you learned in grade 1. And what are those shapes? Excellent. Circle, triangle, very good. Rectangle, square. Very nice. Excellent. So now in this lesson, we are going to learn about some new shapes. They have different names and they have different number of sides. So let's watch a video and watch this video very carefully because this video is going to tell you about some new shapes.
In this lesson, we will identify some shapes by finding how many sides, vertices, and angles each shape has. Look at these shapes. Do you already know the names of some shapes? Some of the shapes are triangles. Look at the shapes that are triangles. How are the triangles all alike? The triangles all have 3 sides. The triangles all have 3 vertices. The triangles all have 3 angles. Why is the red shape not a triangle? The red shape has 6 sides. Triangles have exactly 3 sides. Look at the shapes. Some of them are quadrilaterals and some are not. See if you can tell which ones are quadrilaterals. Look at the shapes that are quadrilaterals. How are the quadrilaterals all alike? The quadrilaterals all have 4 sides. The quadrilaterals all have 4 vertices. The quadrilaterals all have 4 angles. Look at the shapes. Some of them are pentagons, and some are not. See if you can tell which ones are pentagons. Look at the shapes that are pentagons. How are the pentagons all alike? The pentagons all have 5 sides. The pentagons all have 5 vertices. The pentagons all have 5 angles. Look at the shapes. Some of them are hexagons, and some are not. See if you can tell which ones are hexagons. Look at the shapes that are hexagons. How are the hexagons all alike? The hexagons all have 6 sides. The hexagons all have 6 vertices. The hexagons all have 6 angles. Can a shape that is a triangle also be a quadrilateral? What about a hexagon? Think about these questions as you do the activity that comes next.
Okay, so you have watched the video. Now let's review the concepts you have learned. So the first one is vertex. What it is? Vertex. And if it is more than one, it is vertices. What it is? Excellent. Vertices. Now what is a vertex? Excellent. The corner point where two sides meet. The corner point where two sides meet is called a very good vertex. Now quickly tell me, the polygon in this picture has how many vertices? Excellent. This shape have 3 vertices. Very good. Okay, so now we have another shape, and let's see how many sides this shape have. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this shape have 4 sides. And how many vertices this shape have? Excellent. 1, 2, 3, and 4. The number of vertices and sides are equal. So any shape with 4 sides is called quadrilateral. Let's say it again. Quadrilateral. One more time. Quadrilateral. Excellent. Okay, then we have one more shape. Let's count the sides. So it have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So this shape have 6 sides. And how many vertices? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So number of vertices and sides are excellent. They have same number of sides and vertices. So any shape with 6 sides and 6 vertices is called hexagon. What it is? Hexagon. Excellent. One more time. Hexagon. Very good. Okay, then we have one more shape, and let's start counting the sides. So how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this shape have 5 sides. And how many vertices? 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5. So the number of sides and vertices are excellent. All the polygons have same number of sides and vertices. So the polygon with 5 sides is called Pentagon. What it is? Pentagon. One more time. Excellent. Pentagon. Okay, so we have learned about the new shapes. Now we know the names and we know that each shape has how many sides. So let's begin our today's lesson. Open your books at page number 879. Okay, so lesson 15.1, two-dimensional shapes, page number 859. What do we have? Draw some closed plane shapes that have three vertices. Write the name for one of your shapes. Is this name correct for all the shapes you made? So what we have to do, we have to draw three shapes, closed shapes, and all of them must have how many vertices? Excellent, three vertices. So let's start drawing the shapes. So here is my first shape. So how many vertices does this shape have? Excellent, three vertices. Okay, now let's draw another shape. Okay, so how many vertices does this shape have? Very good, three. Okay, now the third one. So how many vertices this one have? Excellent, three vertices. So now I have done drawing three shapes with three vertices. Okay, now quickly tell me what is the name of this shape? A shape with three vertices is called excellent triangle. It's a triangle. Now, the second part of the question, is this name correct for all the shapes you made? Means all of these shapes are triangles. How many sides? Three of them have. Excellent, three sides. And how many vertices? All of them have. Three vertices. Very nice. So, excellent. All of my shapes are triangles. Okay, next page, question 1. Match each shape with its name. So we have to draw the lines. So first one is already done. It has four sides. So a shape with four sides is called, very good, quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. Excellent. Now let's count the sides of this shape. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 sides and 6 vertices. So what is the name of this shape? Excellent. It is hexagon. Very good. Okay, now next, let's count its sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this shape has 5 sides. So quickly tell me, what is the name of the shape with 5 sides? Very good. It is pentagon. Excellent. Now the last one. 1, 2, and 3. We just did on the last page. Very good. It is triangle. Excellent. Okay, question 2. Tell how many sides and vertices, name each shape. Now, I will do question 2. Question 3 you will do yourself. This is so easy. You know how to do it. So in question 2 we have a shape. Let's count its sides. Its sides, sorry. So it has 1, 2, 3 and 4. How many sides? Excellent. 4. Now let's count the vertices. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, now we have to write the name of the shape. So quickly tell me, a shape with 4 vertices and 4 sides is called, excellent, quadrilateral. We just did it. Very good. So you will write quadrilateral here, and then you have to count the sides and vertices of this shape, and then you have to name the shape. Okay, next page, independent practice. You have to do all the questions yourself. Question 4 and 5. You have to match each shape to its name. So easy, just count the sides and draw the lines to match the shapes. And then question 6, 7 and 8. You have to draw the shapes. Tell how many sides and vertices. Here you will draw quadrilateral. So how many sides quadrilateral has? Excellent, 4 sides. Then you will draw a hexagon and then a triangle. And question 9, Bianca drew a triangle and a pentagon. How many sides and vertices did she draw in all? In all, draw the shapes. So what you have to do, you will draw a triangle and then you will draw a pentagon, and then how many sides the triangle has? Excellent, 3 sides. And how many sides pentagon has? Excellent, 5. And they have 3 vertices and 5 vertices as well. So in all, when you have a keyword in all in the question, what does it mean? Excellent, you will add. So you will add the sides and write here, and then you will add the vertices and write here. So here you have assessment for today's lesson. What is given? Which polygon is not a hexagon? So you have to circle a shape which is not a hexagon. You can think of what do you know about hexagons. So quickly tell me, what do you know about hexagons? Excellent. They have 6 sides and 6 vertices. So you have to circle a shape which does not has 6 sides or 6 vertices. Okay, so that's all for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed the lesson and you learned the new shapes with their names and number of sides. And I will see you in the next video with the new lesson. Till then, take care and stay safe.